Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our PHP admin panel series. So now guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to set the tab to active. Okay. So basically tab is nothing but this sidebar nav link. We are going to set active. As you see, the dashboard is currently active, right? So when you click on inquiries, the inquiry should be active and then other on. Okay. So now guys, let's get started. So let's move to our editor and go to the sidebar. So let me close all the files first and move to the admin includes. Inside includes we have a sidebar.php file. So let's move on the top and here is a dashboard link, okay, which is a li tag, and here you see the class guys that is set to active. So now first step we need to check on what page we are. So we are going to take from the URL itself. Okay, so from here only we'll get the data. So open PHP, close PHP, and now guys, let's create one variable called page name equal to, and we have to give dollar underscore server of the script name. Okay, script underscore name. So let's see the output of this. Let me just copy and echo. So you'll be seeing that it's giving the complete domain URL. Okay, so fund of it, all the path it's giving. So but I require only this service.php, right? So let's get back and let's and you substring function inside that I paste this and now give comma, and again you need to string to reverse pos, okay, position, and paste that, give comma inside double quotes forward slash, and then at last +1. Okay, now save, and now you see the output. Refresh, so you get only that service.php file. So whenever you go, so here you see index.php, then service, inquiry, and others. Okay, so all pages are coming. And now guys, let us control X, and you need to copy this page name and move below. So here is our active part. So here just break this, so it will be easy to integrate. And okay, so dollar page name, if it is equal to index.php, then set to active. This is the class name, set to active, else make it null. That's it guys. Now let's copy this, and same with the inquiries. Inquiry.php, here is the inquiry li tag and here is the a tag, and let's paste inside the complete class. Let's copy this and paste here inquiries.php. Again copy it and go for your services. So here is my a tag for services.php and paste again. Okay, let me break this class and paste here. Okay, so the page name is service.php. Let's paste. Now let us see the output guys, and then we'll continue further. Perfect. So here you see, let's go on inquiries. Awesome guys. So you see that inquiries coming, services coming. Cool. So if you go on dashboard, that was dashboard also is working. So now guys, one thing we have to do, we see that icon is going hidden. So for that, you can just use this class. So same logic we have to use, copy and inside this I tag. Okay, so paste here. So this will be the text dark. If it is not active, text dark. If it is active, text white. That's it. So let's copy this and paste for the inquiry also. So here it's going to be the dark and white in the I tag, and for the dashboard also. Let's paste here and let's change the page name. So here will be our index.php and here is the inquiries.php, and yeah, all done. Let's get back, refresh. Okay, so let's click on dashboard. Perfect guys, inquiries, service list, and same way we are going to paste for users and social media too. Yeah, let's copy this first and go to site management. Here is our class and tell that it's a user.php, and again copy this, paste for the social media and setting also. Let's copy the page name and paste here, social media.php. All set. And now guys, for the icon also, you can just copy this and paste for all the icons. Let's paste here, paste, paste. And the page name also you need to change. This is setting, so add the setting, social media, and users, users. Save it, refresh. Awesome guys, all set. So now guys, if you go inside this service and just click on add service, so at that time you don't find which is active. So if you want to set this service active, then you have to add a simple code, which is about here. Let's move to manage services. Here we are, copy and paste again and tell here service create.php. Okay, and if you see here, refresh, awesome, done. So it's the same, it's active. Okay, so same way guys, if you want for edit, you can just put edit. That's it. Now go to service, edit, here it's working. Cool. So guys, same for the users also, you have to add and edit. Let's move to the user. So here is the user, let me break it down. And here is the class double quote ends, and copy and paste. So you make it to hyphen create and users hyphen edit. Now refresh, edit. Okay, perfect. So guys, we have successfully done how to set the admin sidebar to active in PHP. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.